Okay, I don't know if you can hear me, but sorry for not recording for a year. I had school. It's really annoying. But yeah, last episode I didn't have any good bees, but now, okay, y'all can probably tell something looks different. So before y'all see, I'm gonna go show y'all. Like, hold on, something ain't right. Now this is my hive. Y'all, I don't know if y'all can notice anything different about my hive, but yep, I got this bee now, this bee now, this bee now, and I got like 2 more hive slots. So yeah, I've been on the grind. I got the golden rank, the golden backpack, not the golden backpack. Right now, I'm just trying to get some slots. I'm just been saving up for them non-stop. Cause I need to. I've also been killing Mondo Chick lately. I think I've killed him like, I don't know, 40 times. I killed him like 20 times with y'all not there, but yeah. I've just been farming after school. I've also completed a lot of quests. I'm like 876 quests away. Mondo Chick's about to spawn. I'm on this quest right now. Blue. No, not brown bear. I'm on. Oh no. 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 Yeah, I'm on this one. I've just started actually. Also, yes, don't get mad, but I kind of bought the stuff and forgot to record me getting it. So next episode or like later, I will be buying this. I should be, but I don't know. I will be buying this for that. So yeah. Heart tickets, 5 ticket planners, and I'll be buying this for the experiment again, because I'll put that one in the new slot I'll get. Yes. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you want more Beast Simulator content, and if you want me to upload that video me buying it, because I really won't know if I want it or not. So yeah. I regret not uploading that whole time because it kind of hurts. I wouldn't say it kind of hurts. It's just that you didn't upload that for 2 days and that can ruin stuff. But I don't like. It's not that big of a deal if I just start uploading again. I just gotta get like at least 4 uploads this weekend. I'll try. I just have need to get the extra time to make a video. So yeah. So I can kill Mondo Chick now. If y'all didn't know that. Yeah, I can kill him slowly. I know I can, but it's just like all because of a vicious bee. You know, if I just grab that, yeah. OPs. That's how level them up. That's all I gotta do. I don't know why this guy came here. I want solo. Targeting practice. Dang it! I didn't even get it. Woo. Bam. That hurts him. This guy hit more stuff without missing. I just gotta hit him. See, I'm winning right now. Like a itsy bitsy bit. I don't know if I want the cup, buddy. It's hard. Oh, that's hard. This is not working. Never buy honey wallet. Unless you're randoming. If you have that much Robux, I still would prefer doing that. Some honey's not that hard to get. But yeah, if you want a video, just like if you want this one, subscribe if you want this guy, this person. I think most of y'all want the boy bee because it's a mythical bee. I have not been grabbing my where did he get the stinger yet? There's stingers. Stingers OP. Literally, I don't understand. Well, no. No, I know why it's hard to get. I don't like people like that come over here and do no damage. Am I even winning right now? Yeah, when I kill this guy, I have him like right here to that, but I don't know. IDK. Trying to get 30 hive slots tonight, so I can go in there. You can get a free diamond egg in there if y'all didn't know that. You like no quest or anything. You just walk over there and you get it. I'm so close. I'm probably just gonna keep buying EVEs, to be completely honest. Cause I'm only 5 bees away from the 30 bee zone. So I'll probably get that this weekend if I just keep saving. I don't want the 30 bee zone, then it's easier from there. And then I won't have to worry about any area in my way. No area is standing in my way. Oh, it's cold because it's a snowstorm outside. It's very cold. Super cold. Now I want him to come over here. Come over here for straight. See? That's BS. First, I be very slow. Finger. Also today, I killed Commando Chick and I kind of got something decent good. Gold egg. I'm saving it though. I'm not gonna use it. That's what I'm trying to say. Next episode, I might get in Boyambi or it'll be unlocking 35 B zone. That's on this game. That's gonna like, I think 35 B zone. It's gonna take tomorrow a little bit or maybe today. Tomorrow is Sunday. That's how long it might take. Unless I know I just game from the beginning of the day. So like, if I know if we game from beginning at like 8 o'clock to like 1 o'clock, I'll get 35 Bs. No doubt about it. So that's gonna start costing by that time like 100 million honey. Or even more, so. I need 6 more bees to get there. My friend keeps saying he's better than me. He doesn't have Vicious V or anything. So. Neither did a Mythic B. So Type B is good, because I don't really have to. It's like, he shoots, if you get targeting practice, he shoots like, Go away! Hold on. I say, go away. I do all the work, and all these people do is, they literally just wait. As soon as he's one shot, they come up here and just sit there. And then I saw a Mythic Egg spawn after I did all the work, and someone stole it from me, so. Egg. Wait, you grab it. He's gonna shoot over here. Or it's right here. Get inside of it. Boom. And look, he got rid of some of my honey. It's because, yeah, starting price. They gave me 89,000 honey. See, I'm soloing this, so I don't need help anymore with it. And my stats. Not that good, but. Commando chick. Commando chick's not hard, it's just how much he moves. Well, the only thing I'm really having troubles killing right now is, well, that just takes a lot of time, but it's not that hard to kill, it just takes time. The only thing I have trouble killing in this whole game is that tunnel bear. Cause my bees aren't high enough level. If your bees aren't high enough level, you usually miss most of the time, but yeah, I got one bee level 8 right now. I need to get him level 9. And man, I only got one bee. Level 8. So 2 minutes to do 10,000 health. I need a lot of running to get that. Commando, to just stay still. You do too much, bro. Ow, that really hurts. If this drops a mythical egg, that would be such a good video. Getting mythic egg from Mondo Chick. That's what it'll be called if I can get a mythic chick from this thing. Damn! Ooh, so BS. I don't care. I need some impale things to pop up on the ground so I can use it. It's like maybe a couple of thousand. It's like, I need like 2-something thousand damage. I can one shot King Beetle actually. And pop the spikes, the thing is dead. If y'all don't know what Vicious Bee does, if y'all should know, because it's like one of the beats everyone wants to get. It's easy to get, it just takes a lot of time. Also, if you're having trouble with killing Vicious Bee, just be in a server with a bunch of pros that are farming, because they'll kill it for you. Yeah, impale. Just pause the video if you want to see what this is. Yeah, like literally just 5% of their HP per thing. That's Cat with like Stomp Stone on him, but it's like true with him. Or like the mini bosses. I would say the real bosses would probably be like, I wouldn't call him a boss. He's like a boss though. Like Yeah. Oh, I'm forgetting about coconut crab, actually. Oh, and yes, you can get a star tree, mythical from down there. A golden, you can get diamond stuff there. Gold egg from King Beetle. You can get, diamond. I don't know. I think you can get mythic egg and star tree. That's literally what you can get here. I need a star tree. If I get a star tree from this, I'll be really happy about it because, I don't know, my fish should be gifted. If I can get my fish to be gifted, then you know how that goes. Because getting the fish to be gifted is like, I don't know, they just look super duper cool. And I want to end up just killing Stomp Snail for his amulet and, you know, for that chance of a mythic egg. And all the resources you get. You get a lot of resources, actually. I'll call my little chicken to show you all about Tom Bear, and then I'm gonna end the video. Even though it's only been going for 16 minutes. That's a decently good video, time wise. Star retreat is what I'm looking for. Don't think I'm gonna get one because I'm just unlucky as hell, but you know, you can always try and see if we get a good drop. This is super good for the honey, if you didn't know that. Field dice. I don't think I got a star treat, but yeah, that's what my other chicken do. A lot of honey. No mythical egg, obviously. Did I get a star treat? No star treat. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Great. If I was to go like swear to that, like do this, click on this beat, would I get level from it? I would. I do need to get some of these. I do need to spend. How much if I spend 1,000 of these? I'll have 900 left. I know. Can I just use how many of these would it take? I'll do that. Okay, so that's level. That's a level. Okay. So 2 level 8s I have. How much do I have on this? I need to get one more, and these are easy. I get star tree. I don't know if I'll get star tree from this. I'll just do it. I need one more level 8B. Who else is close to leveling up? Bucklebee, are you? That's close. Wait, hold on. How many of these would you take? I said Bucklebee. So I can get you. I'll do that. So 3 level 8s. What about Precise Bee? Is he close to leveling up? He won't get a level. Who would get a level from this? Because that's who I know is close. No. Nope. I don't think anyone else. Well, I kind of need to get that guy leveled up. How much would you take? Never mind, not happening. Okay, so I got 3 level 8s. Now, 3 pineapples, strawberries, and blueberries. Okay. So I'm gonna feed the blueberries to this guy, just in case he goes gifted. Now, the strawberries to this guy. And the pineapples to this guy. I don't think this gives a star treat. I don't know. I'm just saying if it might. I don't think it does though. No. That is not gonna happen anytime soon. Okay, lucky I got 64. Damn. Yeah, I wasted a lot of resources on leveling up, but I think it was worth it because it costs so much. How much? I'm just gonna feed one strawberry to this guy. Just, damn. Ooh, that's scary. That's really scary. I can level him up. Who can I level up with treats? Cause I get 1,000 of them right now. It's not that much, but where my treats at? Right here. Can't. I'm just gonna put it on every band to see if anyone can level up. Now this ninja bee can level up. Who else can? Not like that. Buckabees are good. No. Is lion bee? Yeah, I'm in the video. Hold on. I'll talk to you on the next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Drama.